Welcome back, nerds. This is Julian. I like designing stuff, and today we're gonna bake. Maybe I'm baked right now. We're gonna make a mold for one of my favorite little toy, collectible, miniature, sculpture. What do you call this? A figurine, maybe. For my favorite figurines, in my mind, I call this the horned squatch because I feel it's kind of a Sasquatch type looking character. A lot of people tell me they see this round thing as an eye. I always saw it as the entire face, as a roundish big face without features, but whatever. So I put it in plasticine. I embedded it in plasticine to like about half of it, which I didn't film because I'm stupid. Luckily I remembered poking in some holes before putting in the silicone, so that they line up the two sides of the mold. The two sides of the mold later when I put them together. I got these two mold making silicone cans in a hobby shop that was closing, and they aren't identical. One of them, this red one, it says can be used for metal, which is cool, but sadly it's just one side, so I guess one day I'd have to make a new mold for metal. But for now it's a bit light. The original is a bit light, so I think it would be nice to make some castings out of plaster or maybe resin. First I brushed some of this silicone into the little nooks and crannies to make sure I don't have any bubbles forming there. Now on to the other side, because silicone tends to stick very well to absolutely everything. I put some Vaseline on the first silicone side, because I expect silicone to stick very well to other silicone. I probably should have put some on the model as well, but yeah, you live, you learn. I did learn my lesson and put some Vaseline into the mold as well for the plaster casting, but I did pull it out when I think it wasn't quite dry yet, so the legs popped really easy. But then I did another try with something called synthetic plaster that I got from a dentist, and this one feels so much better. It feels really hard, the surface. You can't kind of like scratches into it with your fingernail. It feels much more like stone. And then, because I had some left, I also tried some clear resin. By now it yellowed a lot from sunlight, but it refracts light very nicely if you shine a light through it. And I'm thinking of making a lamp from it, so yeah, maybe, comment below what you think, what else I can try pouring into this mold. Maybe chocolate or soap bar. Yeah, let me know. Alright, thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Yeah, love you, bye.